How to make no one can see your followers on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your followers on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click this one here, followers and public content. And now just go down until you find this one, only me. Click on it and go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.